the open source model that's shaking the AI world. Meet FLUX Kontext version 1, the image editor that's being called the GPT-4o of open source graphics. Let's break down how to use it in under 90 seconds. Welcome to the Tenorshare AI channel. The easiest way to try FLUX Kontext is through the Flux Playground. The official link is in the description. Here's how it works. Head over to Flux Playground. Type your prompt. Watch as stunning AI-generated images appear, guided by context-aware control that feels like magic. This isn't just another diffusion model. FLUX Kontext understands your prompt like a pro and lets you edit with pinpoint precision, even on consumer GPUs. Built by Black Forest Labs, FLUX Kontext is free, open source, and already blowing up on Reddit. It's being called a creative revolution for everyone, and yes, it runs beautifully without expensive hardware. And if you want faster, harder to detect AI content, you can try Tenorshare AI Bypass. Click the link below the video for a free trial. As the FLUX ecosystem grows, this might just become the backbone of AIGC. Try it now via the link below and follow for more AI tools you can actually use.